1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 9. That's right here in the backyard. By God, I'll tell you what, we got the purple lights in the pool, and we got the white lights shining up the trees on the backside of that pool. But we're about to get down right now with those musical singers that you've been hearing all night. It's not Elvis, by God, I'll tell you. Whoa, hey, we just got to cut off there for a second, but that's all right, because this is Saint Germain on the radio, and we're about to keep going all night long. And I'll tell you what, we got some AC/DC coming at you right now on the side. Well, they're telling me AC/DC will take a little longer. So we got the old school 50s, and that is okay with me, because that is where it all stems from right there. Elvis. Everybody loves the Elvis. I'll tell you what, and Doris Day, by God, I'll tell you what, they come down, Frank Sinatra. All of them are about to sing in this backyard right now. Every one of them's got a song, and they're all waiting to sing that song, and I'll tell you what, they cannot stop talking just like me. I am the one who can stand up here and take this microphone and not stop talking. That's why they hired me. I'm here to tell you about this umbrella right over the top of that, and that other one over there, and this, I'll tell you what, we got some things over here on the side, and this is going to be unbelievable. And you got yourself right now, Mount Juliet Radio, WLGS. WRAY, Ray Saint Germain Radio is coming at you live, and we are about to look at Ruger over there by the pool, and he's sniffing the floor, and he's about to get down. Johnny, where are you now? We're going to need you now. It's coming down at you live. I'll tell you what, we're all waiting, especially me. I don't think I can talk much more. I got a lot of talk in me. But I don't know how long I can keep doing this. I'm pretty sure I can do it all night. But I'll tell you what, Lala will tell you, yes, he can no doubt go the whole time. And that's why we're here right now. We got a table there in front of us, and I'll tell you what, there's some bottles of water, and there's a candle flaming good. I'll tell you what, there's a smoker right there, and I think there's some ribs about to come out here. If you have not eaten yet, by God, I'll tell you, I think there's a rack of St. Louis and a rack of baby bags, I'll tell you. Those are two of my favorite racks. And that's what we're going to do right here at this, the Rivera's party. Listen, I learned a long time ago, it's not the Rivieras, it's the Riveras. Well, I got the word, yes I do. I like to sing for y'all if I could, but I need a song.
Turn it up.
No.
Music can come up just a little bit. No, you. No, he's fine. You turn the music up a little bit. Turn the music up a little bit.
Higher at all your parties and your. I want to get down with some Frank Sinatra. I got you. What do you say? Turn this off. Somehow this mic is definitely turned down a lot.
Oh, turn him up now a little bit. Yay! Oh, you gotta go check it. Go check it again. Check it.
Sing this song.
Sing. Go ahead.
I'm in love.
Yeah, it's good. Good. No, it's good, I think. I think so, yeah.
Life is like a butterfly.
As long as I hold the
As long as I hold the wings and don't pull them off. So it's a butterfly that can't fly.
Oh my God.
Sometimes it's in the pool, sitting on a float.